been doing this for quite a while now makes you realise how over, what's the word? Like how,
Docked.
yeah, how we've just got
Oh,
too much stuff.
yep, yeah, absolutely.
And also, it's recognising that things have changed because some of the stuff, because I went through a lot of the filing cabinet type of stuff. Like I've just got a file
Mm.
box, and I'd managed to get like two big filing cabinets down to this one box. And I
That's
thought, well, I
pretty
still
good.
think that I thought there's still too much in this box. So I was
Yep.
going through that, and a couple of the things that I'd kept, and I thought, oh, well, what's changed now is they did come in digital files,
Mm.
but back in the day when I had them, you had to print them off. They were for party games, actually. They're
Oh,
really,
yeah.
really good party games, and different people get different roles and all of those sort of things, like your murder mystery type of things.
Oh, yes.
So, yeah, so I've got them. Now, it's like, well, why have I kept these? It's because back in the day, it wasn't that easy. Like, it was production to go and get a whole chunk of stuff printed off. Whereas these days, A, we've got printed, well, I've got a printer. I mean,
Yeah,
maybe
we've,
not everyone does, but B, more than that, now I wouldn't even do it in printed things. We'd send them an e-thing and they'd be looking at their character on the phone. They wouldn't need a piece of paper to tell them what their
yeah,
character was. Whereas back,
exactly.
yeah, whereas back when we did them, you had to have a
Yeah,
printed version of it. So I
yeah.
went through my old emails and
Mm.
found I have still got the actual files. So
Mm.
I haven't done that yet. That's on my list of
Mm.
to-dos. I'll get them out of the email, put them into a folder on
Yep.
my hard drive, and then I can add them to the recycle bin as well.
Yeah, that's
Into
what I've been doing too,
copies.
is, yeah, deleting really old emails. Last night I was deleting emails from 2013. Hello. I don't need to know I bought something or other in 2013. Yeah, so it's cleaning up the data because even psychologically, it's still in your head that it's there. And yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah, a heap of the stuff that I shredded yesterday. I thought, why did I keep all of this? And it's like, well, because it is interesting, because it does give a picture. Because one of the things, when you look at some of the genealogists, the information that they've been able to get, and then they can do chronicles about their family and whatnot. So every time we shred some of this stuff, I just think, oh, well, there goes that bit of history.
Mm.
Because even we forget, never mind anybody else that
Yeah,
may or may not be interested in the future.
yeah,
Um, but it's like, that doesn't matter, does it?
yeah. Well, yeah.
Once it's gone, it's gone.
Yeah, I take photos of a lot of things, like items that I've had that I can live without, but I want to remember that I've got it. So I kept photos of all of the books that I used for homeschooling, just the front covers, and some of the toys and artwork, just so that if someone wants to know how we did things like earlier on or whatever, or if one of the family members wants to keep it, it's there in digital form. So
Yeah,
we can
yeah,
just, yeah,
yeah.
keep
Well, and
things in.
it's amazing how things do change, isn't it? Like you look
Yeah.
and you think, oh, just the fact that I don't need these paper copies of those games anymore
Mm. Yeah.
is evidence of the changes that have happened in the way that we do life.
Yeah.
So, like
Yeah.
my grandson, he wouldn't it wouldn't occur to him that he'd need to keep printed copies
A
of a game, I'm
paper.
sure.
No.
It's like, well, why would I need to do that? So, oh, well, that's a really good question. We don't.
We don't anymore. Yeah.
We don't. But we did. We did. And I was
Yeah.
really grateful because we did that game a few times with different people. And every time it'd just be so good that I had it all there, printed out, ready to
Yeah.
go.
Ready to roll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.